Quality means pride and workmanship.
Quality means doing your job right the first time.
Quality means doing a professional job.
Quality means good workmanship.
It means pride.
Good afternoon and welcome to Intel's Ocotillo campus and the future home of Intel's Fab 42. My name is Preston McDaniel and I'm the Construction Program Manager responsible for the construction that you see behind me. Intel Arizona has a long history since the mid-1990s of delivering leading-edge technology to the world. Starting with the completion of Fab 12 in 1995, the construction and startup of Fab 22 in 2001, Fab 32 completed in 2007, and now with the construction of Fab 42.
Fab 42 is by far the most advanced high-volume semiconductor manufacturing facility in the world. It's going to crank out billions of chips next year, and those products are going to be embedded in the most advanced electronics spanning the globe.
The investment Intel has made to build this new facility is bringing thousands of construction and permanent manufacturing jobs here to Arizona. As we reach our one-year construction anniversary this past week, I look back at how important the quality of the work is to our success. I'd like that each of you that are viewing this video today to think about how your individual efforts contribute to doing the job right the first time.
On it means that I'm responsible for all the work that I do and making sure everything's right.
Quality starts from day one.
Anything worth doing is worth doing right the first time.
Own it to me means a sense of pride in my work.
There's things that I always think of on why the quality culture and program is so important, not only to Intel, but to all the folks that are working on the project. Now the first thing is everybody's safety. So if you look around this place, it's just a large chemical factory, lots of high energy systems, lots of electrical systems, a lot of things that can jump out and bite you. And we really need you folks to do it correctly the first time so that you're safe and the folks that are following along and working next to you are safe as well.
We obviously put a lot of planning into these projects and in terms of sequencing it. And when we sequence these installs, we take into consideration the safety of the individuals. And when we go in and we install poor quality and we have to rework, sometimes that throws that sequence out of order and it may put people at risk unnecessarily. And I think the second real big tie to safety in terms of quality is that most of the installs that we have in this manufacturing facility are safety systems when you talk in terms of gases, chems, etc. that we use out in the field. And not installing those systems right the first time can lead to somebody being seriously hurt on our project. So it is key that we get them right the first time and we continue to install quality systems.
So one of the problems we have is the old school method of, I got to get things hung and then this is faster and better and so on and so forth. Doesn't work because what you're not seeing is the future things that are coming down the pike. So now what we do is we design it all in a virtual world, make sure it all fits, and then we bring it in, we allow people to build it in their shops where they're more efficient, we bring it all in and we fit it in the field. So we know it fits, everybody gets a more cost-effective way of building it, and we final assemble it on the field.
Angel, what's going on, guys? Got some new drawings for you. There you go. See. The design and BIM teams have released a new IFF drawing, which I've given to our field foreman for this scope of work. The IFF drawings, along with incremental checklists, provide a tool to verify, monitor, and document our high-quality installations at regular intervals. They also help promote and mentor our culture of quality workmanship. We take pride in our work and value our ownership in the quality installation through continuous quality checks. That's why you can hold us to account for it. Quality, we own it every day.
The importance of an incremental checklist is that it really helps you to make sure that you've done the job right the first time. For some people, the complexity of what we build here makes it almost impossible to get everything right the first time. And so by the use of something like this, which is a perfect aid that you can have folded up in a piece of paper in your pocket, you can use the incremental checklist to check your own work so that you can go to the foreman can go to the quality control rep can go to Intel and say, we've done it right, we're done, we're ready to go.
Pride in a job well done. This is where the incremental checklists pay off. There are no outstanding punch list items, so we're well on our way to 0 SORs. Following this walk, there will be a design group verification walk, as well as an environmental health and safety walk to verify that this system is good to go for the client with 0 SORs, pride for every worker that's contributed to building this world-class facility for the Intel Corporation. Way to go, guys, a job well done.
So this is why quality is important to all of us. We live in a global economy. There are places all over the world that are competing for the project that we have here and the jobs that we have. So we have to find a way to differentiate ourselves. And the way we do that is delivering a project that has world-class quality. And that's the responsibility of all of us.
Each person working on each crew is responsible to making sure that we will have 0 SORs.
0 SORs is our goal.
Delivery of the 0 SOR program is owned by me, is owned by you, is owned by all of us together as a team.
On behalf of the entire Fab 42 team, I would like to thank each and every one of the thousands of individuals that are turning our concepts into reality here in the deserts of Arizona.